Hi guys, so in this video we're going to cover how to buy coins on TikTok on the web browser. So you can do this using your laptop or your desktop computer, and this is actually the cheapest way for you to buy or acquire coins on TikTok, which you could gift or use in running ads. So you could save up to 15% if not 20 and more when you use this strategy. So this is perfect for iPhone users, including Android users. So for Nigerians, you might want to consider using your dollar card at the moment for this to work. What I'm saying is that if you can't purchase your coins with your Naira, Visa or MasterCard, consider using a dollar card, either Visa or MasterCard, to purchase your coin on TikTok. So let's jump right straight into this video and show you how you could buy coins on TikTok on desktop. And I strongly recommend this if you want to save cost, especially the iPhone users. Okay, so let's jump right straight into this video. So visit tiktok.com. So make sure you log into your account once you visit tiktok.com.
Next, you move your cursor and hover at the top right corner where your profile picture is. Then you click on Get Coins in order for us to purchase TikTok coins on the web browser.
So this is where you could buy coins. It's usually cheaper for you to buy your coins from desktop with your laptop, because basically you're not paying any charge to Apple or to Google. So that's why here is usually the cheapest. Okay. So another way you could also access these coins, after you've logged into your account, you simply input tiktok.com/coins. So we're going to try this now. It's still going to take us to where we are going to buy our coins or the TikTok coins. So you simply visit www.tiktok.com/coins, but make sure you are logged in before visiting this link. All right, so you can see, so we could see buy our coins from here. So let's go back to the previous page. All right, so one of the advantage of this is that we could also set custom. So let's say if we want to buy 100 coins, so we'll click on custom. Now remember, we launched a video where we showed you how to buy your coins using an Android device. Remember, we bought 70 coins for around 1,700. So you're seeing we actually paid a lot of money. So, but with just 1,278.39, we are able to buy the same amount of coins we spent 1,700 naira. Okay, but for this video, we are going to purchase 100 coins. All right. So after inputting that, you click on recharge. So next, we're going to add our credit or debit card. So after inputting your card details, you could also decide to link this payment method for future purchases, or you let it be. So we click on pay now.